Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you Python sets part 2, and let's get into it. So first, as you can see, we're gonna talk about the Python set loop. So we can create a set. Yeah, and we put for x and set one print X. As you can see, it's gonna print all of the items and set one. So you can also do join set by doing as you can see, you can do set 5 equals set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4 by doing these. As you can see, it's gonna join the numbers into one set. You could also do a different method by doing set one dot union set two, set three, and four, and it's gonna do the same thing. Then we can also do the frozen set, but for the frozen set methods, there's a lot of frozen set methods, so I'm gonna do that in the next lesson. So, yeah, bye guys.